Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 12. We will present our result of our discussion. The title of our material is Epidemiology of Plant Disease. Next. The members of our team is Muliawati Rizqy with student number 228, Elsa Nuraini with student number 229, and Pramesti Mahanani with study number 230. The material of our discussion is definition of epidemiology and plant pathogens, epidemic development, processes of disease development in plants, pathogen spread, triangle of disease.
Number 1. Definition of epidemiology and plant pathogen. What is the definition of epidemiology? Epidemiology is the study of science and tells about disease in population. Plant epidemiology is the intensity of plant disease who attack in population had changed based on time and place. The host or plant population and the pathogen population are the most important population who's involved with epidemic. Epidemiology discusses how the two populations interact with each other, so can make decrease the quality of plant. Number 2, epidemic development. A great epidemic occurs when number 1, there is plants that have similar genetics in a large area. Number 2, there is a virulent pathogen at the place around the plant cultivate. And last, there is an appropriate combination of environmental factors such as humidity, temperature, wind, and vector, with the susceptible stage of the plant and the availability of inoculum in large amount.
Three, process of disease development in plant. The stage of the disease development process in plants are as follows. 1. Inoculation. Inoculation is the contact between the pathogen and the host plant. The part of the pathogen that causes disease is called the inoculum, which can be hyphae, spores, or mycelium. Inoculum can be spread by wine, water, and animals. 2. Germination. Germination is the stage of disease development in which the spore of the pathogen form a germination scope. 3. Penetration. Penetration is the entry of pathogen into plant cells, including through stomata. Penetration can occur in two ways, namely chemical and mechanical. The chemical method takes place by the enzymatic process, while the mechanical method occurs because the heat that enters the host press the surface of the host. For infection. Infection is a reaction between pathogens and plant cells that causing symptoms. Infection is have occur when the process of taking nutrients by pathogen from the outside the host is steady. 5. The incubation period. The incubation period is the time it takes from the inoculation stage to infection stage. 6. Infection. Infection is the growth and development of pathogens after infection, and then the pathogen spread to other cells of the host plant. 7. Reproduction. Reproduction is the formatting of reproductive organs, multiplying in themselves in the host plant. 8. Transmission and spread of pathogens. The spread of pathogens in one cropping area, spread by agriculture, tools, rain, and insect. Insects are the most important mechanism in the transmission and spread of pathogens.
Number 4. Pathogen spread. A. How pathogen spreads. There is two ways to pathogen that can spread. First, active dispersal by force alone, for example, nematodes, zoospora, and motile bacteria, able to move in a relatively short distance. Number 2 is passive dispersal, spread by wind, water, insects, and humans. B. Pathogen spreader agent. Number 1. Seeds. Seeds that initially contain pathogen are spread to the ground due to help of wind or humans and gradually begin to grow disease plant. Number 2. Winds. Wind carries pathogens from infected plant and then spreads them to other plants. Wind also causes injury to plant parts which later become an entry point of pathogens. Number 3. Water. Pathogens can be transmitted to other plants through splashing rainwater, or it can also be from the water used to water the plants that contains pathogen. Number 4. Humans. Humans can spread pathogens to other plants by using their farming tools or mixing them with other healthy plants. Number 5. Insects. Insects spread pathogens from diseased plants to healthy plants when they infest them. The part affected by the pathogen transmit to the healthy part.
5. Triangle of disease. Disease is the process of interaction between the host plant and the pathogen that cause physiological disturbance in the host plant. In addition to the host and pathogens, the environment also plays a role in the process. Environmental factors that play an important role are humidity, temperature, and human activities. High humidity will affect the growth of fungi and bacteria, and with increased growth, it makes it easier for them to infect host plants.
That's all from our groups. If you have some question, please write down in the comment section. Thank you.